Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali and we are here with another unboxing. What we have for this video, as you guys can see, it is our Play by Sephora box for the month of March. For those of you that don't know about this box, this one is a $10 a month subscription and we get deluxe size luxury samples in this box along with a little plastic sandwich bag looking, wait, you guys get what I mean. But so let me go in. I already pre-cut the tape here so I can have easier access, so I can show you guys what we got for this month. They always give us a little card with, you know, just different information on here. It's different every month what they include, and then on the other side they include the product information, you know, just tips and any like little details that you would possibly need to know so you can actually use the product the way that it's supposed to. So here we have the bag that I was talking about, and I'm gonna start with this top one here. I see something is it's something from NARS, and it is a lipstick, I'm assuming, in the shade Star Woman. So you have your typical NARS packaging on the outside, the little box. Oh, okay, so this is a liquid lipstick. I thought it was gonna be like a regular like bullet kind of lipstick, but this is a liquid lipstick, and that's actually a really pretty color. So it's a little tiny one that you get. That is the color there. It's see-through, so you can actually see the color. And it is this is a really nice shade of red. That's really pretty. So that is our first item. I'm really liking this color. So that's our first item. Up next, I'm going to grab this one here. Ooh, it's from Dry Bar. It says Detox Clear Invisible Dry Shampoo. I love these, especially the way that these smell. They smell so good. It's a little tiny spray. I mean, you're probably only going to get a few uses out of this one, but they do come in really, really handy, especially if you need to throw it in your purse. This is the perfect size to carry in your purse because you never know when you're going to have an emergency and you're going to need some dry shampoo. So let me smell it. Yes, it smells really good. I sometimes, even when I don't need to use the dry shampoo itself, I like to spray it on my hair just to, you know, give my hair that fresh smelling scent. These smell really, really good. So that is our second item. So far, I think pretty good. I'm gonna go in for another item. It is something from Glam Glow. It's not the first time we received this one here. It is the Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer and Nude Glow. So this is our little tube, and this one you can tell that it's full to all the way to the top. So whatever you you get in here is actually like full all the way to the top, and it's just a moisturizer with a slight tint, and it also does give you a little bit of a shimmer, you know, just to kind of so when you put your foundation on top of it, it will glow through, and it actually does make your skin look really, really nice. So I have actually used this one before because they have included this in the boxes for like previous months. So I actually really like this one. Then I'm gonna go in for this one. Ooh, it's from Fresh. I love these. So it's the Sugar Mint Rush lip treatment. They have really nice packaging. That is the box. It's a nice minty green. I think depending on what you have inside, like for example, this one's Mint Rush, so this is green. If it's cherry, it's red, or if it's berry, it's pink. Like, they do really good with their packaging. It's pretty nice. So we have a little chapstick. They call it a lip treatment, but it's a chapstick. And you get a pretty good amount for being a sample. So these last a really long time. These helped my lips so much. I have a regular one and I also have a tinted one because they also have those available like at Sephora. I think I got it at Sephora. So I got a tinted one and then I have a regular clear one. I love these. I really love these. Then we are down to this is our last item. Then we have our bonus item. So this one here is from Stila, and it is the Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. I honestly, again, I have used this one before, and I really, really like it. I really like that it is long wearing. That is the tip. It is a felt tip. But I like that it's long wearing. It doesn't, run. It doesn't smudge. So I really, really like this one. So if you guys are looking for a good eyeliner, this is a good choice. Then we are left with our very last thing in our box. It is from Moschino, I think you pronounce it. Toy 2. So this is our bonus item. They usually give us a bonus item, either like a little tiny perfume sample, or like a little foil packet of something like conditioner, shampoo, or something. What we have for this one, it is a little tiny perfume, and that's what the bottle would look like if you guys were to purchase the full size. It smells really, really good, actually. This one, it is in the family of the florals, the woodsies, and like the musk, kind of like musky kind of scent. But I mean, you get a lot of like that, like fruity kind of thing. So I really, really like this one. I think they have included this one in our box before, and I really, really like the scent. It smells really, really good. That was the final item from the box. Then we are left with the little bag that I told you guys about that almost looks like a sandwich bag, because it does have that little Ziploc thing on the top, and it's just plastic. I mean, they're reusable. You can use these for anything, of course. But I would prefer something else than just a bag like this. Let me know what you guys think about these box, because I'm all done taking them out of the box. So let me know what you guys think about the products that I received for this box down in the comments below. I know they have a lot of different variations for this box. So everybody probably got something different. These were the items that I got. So let me know. I am all done here today. For right now, for this video, I'm all done with all my stuff. Let me know what you guys think down below. I will be back really, really soon with another video, and I hope I will see you all back here next time. Bye.